this thing is butter smooth. I'll tell you what, this is a machine that I could ride for 500 kilometers in a day. Not even kidding. Like, it is butter smooth. Love it. Power's there. It doesn't have the snap that the Can-Am does. It almost feels kind of like an elastic band, but it has all the power you need. And I mean, it's just, like I said, it's really, really smooth. I do really like it. This is a good long travel machine. So that's my initial 0.5 kilometer review on it. We'll follow up when we get to the end. Cheers. Sometimes 35s don't matter. But airy. Hey? With no tree in sight.
Who's pulling him out? That Wildcat doesn't have to be.
Nope. The only one pulling him out is him. He's got a winch on the front. He'll have to winch to the far tree there. Alright, gents, here's what I don't like. Don't like that it doesn't have any mud like grips for your feet. Very slippery in here. I find that I'm sliding around a lot. Now, it's not a mud machine, so that's an unfair comparison. I get it, but it's just a gripe. I don't like this shifter. It's really hard to see. You can't tell exactly what gear you're in without seeing, and a lot of the times everything's covered. I do like this machine. It's really smooth. I'm impressed. I am impressed. So let's see what else we can get into. Look at that! Hey, leave it to your apprentice to bail your ass out, eh?
All the Arctic crap talk. There's that trench, Brian.
Nice. Look at that. 35s. Hey, Jake, you got a stick. Oh, that's beauty. Just a little hopping, eh? Sometimes that's all it takes. So I will say, this thing has really good trail manners. It's got all the power you need when you need it. And like it does hit hard, it pulls hard when you really get into her. I love the wide handlebars on it. It's very, very wide compared to Can-Am. I feel like you can get a lot more power out of it. You feel like you can get a little bit more body language into it because of the wide handlebars. The seat is plushy. Oh, like a lot of the times I'll ride standing up on an ATV, and I actually find, like with this one, I could ride a long time sitting down. It's very plushy. You don't feel a frame or anything underneath. Very enjoyable. You know what? I can honestly say that they want to go left. I can honestly say that I changed my mind about the soft throttle, because there's a lot of situations where having that little bit, like quarter-inch soft throttle, is very, very smart, because it keeps you out of trouble when you know, new ride or anything like that. So yeah, I guess I like it. I do like it, because when you pound on it, like watch, it's there. So it doesn't have a soft throttle, it just has a soft start. I wonder if this thing's drive-by-wire or electronic. Something to look into. But I will say, like, at first I didn't like it, but now, like, thinking about it and riding it a little bit, I really do. It's not as abrupt. It's much more rideable, much more trail drivable. Yeah, there's my conclusion. I like it. I will say that, like, this power steering, I do feel like it's a better power steering. Now that's hard to say for sure, because I'm used to running 30-inch mud tires, and these are 27s, non-aggressive, like turf tires, right? So it's hard to actually say that the power steering's better, but I really do like it on this machine. Very responsive. I don't find myself fighting it. I feel like there is a lot of feedback from the steering wheel. Again, the width too really helps. It's different. We're gonna switch to low range here. I'm loving this display. We got 2 more now. Yeah. If I do like the narrow seat, and the reasoning is I always found on my Outlanders that the width actually kind of helps, because when you're coming around and you're riding with a beer in your hand or whatever, you know, pop stuff in your hand, I do kind of feel like the width actually helps you. I don't know. I've decided. Woo! Woo! Oh, buddy! I'll tell you what, I miss having an ATV just for this stuff. Being able to just go around everything. You can't do that with the X3, too wide. Alright, I need 2 hands for this one. So, I guess in conclusion, because we're going to make this a separate video, the conclusion to this is, if you want a machine to trail ride, this thing is, it's the shit. It is an amazing trail riding machine. Very impressed in every aspect of it. I love the features on it. I like the display on it. It tells you all the information you need. It's plush, it feels comfortable, but it's firm and responsive all at the same time. Like I said, the throttle even, I thought at first I didn't like it, but I definitely changed my mind. It has its place. It is a good trail riding machine. But if you want to go mud, I don't know. I'd be hard pressed to buy one of those, right? The Renegade XMR. Only because, like, this there's a lot of things about it that I like. There's very, very, very few that I don't like. But it's a good trail machine. Like, look at her crawl through. Can't even say it's a good trail machine. It's clearly doing mud like it's its job. Put her in 4x4, and I mean, that's the other thing too, is Polaris has always had a better 4x4 system, especially the front dip lock and everything in them. I actually find myself, you know what? I do find myself going easier through things with this trail machine than I would with an XMR. That's with holding a camera. When you're hawking on an XMR or Can-Am, it's a different story, but you know what? I'd have to actually own both. So you can call me a Polaris fanboy, Can-Am fanboy, Arctic fanboy, I don't care. I like riding. I like all the machines out there, so. Whoa. Limp home mode. She got a little hot. Happens with the X3 too, so I can't even judge it for that. A little bit of mud in the radiator. We're toward the end of the ride. It's a 1000cc machine. What do you expect? It's hot, especially when it's covered in mud with no rad relocate. Oh, when did that happen? I don't remember. Anyway, we're a little hot. We're gonna limp her home. We'll go low range. You know, I even kind of take the shifter back too, because once you understand it and remember the shift pattern, it really is no big deal to know what you're doing. It's just, for a newbie, hopping on the machine is a bit of a different story, right? You don't quite know what gear you're in without seeing the dash, and if the dash is covered in mud, but it's a trail machine. I guess best way to say it is, I don't know, I like home machines. Polaris! Anyway. Huh? No, she's a little hot. She needs to cool down.
Is it?
Yep.
Shouldn't be.
Just
it is.
Just at the end there.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna bring her over to the hose. So, but like I said, no rad relocate. You can't judge it for that. Even the X3, like I said, it overheats all the time. And that's just the type of riding we do, the type of play, etc. So we'll cool her off, get her going. See, that's the conclusion of the video, I guess, boys. I like it. If she needs to be cooled down. Cheers.